What's up, guys? Time to get this thing finished up. Let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. So guys, seat covers installed. This thing looks really nice. If you guys haven't yet, check out Forworks. They make some of the best seat covers in the industry. Did a little bit of trimming on the seat. So I actually pulled the fenders together on this bike, so I trimmed that up. Got it all stapled on. Everything's good to go. Now, let's get the graphics on the old TRI-ZILLA here. So after getting that far, I remembered I actually had an OEM style fender, and in Alberto's original drawing, he had the carbon fiber inlay right here. Being that it's going to be black and yellow with the yellow overlay on the black fenders, it only made sense to pull that back off and go with the OEM style. It's just going to be a lot cleaner for the build. I think tie all together a lot better, again, because we went with the black and yellow theme. So you're going to see all these black edges on this bottom decal. Now that is much better. This is going to be pulled down like that. Okay, put the graphics on. Guys, the TRI-ZILLA is finally finished up. It's honestly pretty incredible. The fact that Alberto, one of our awesome customers, did send us a rendering of this build. I'm actually going to insert the clip of that rendering that he sent us. I honestly think we nailed it. This thing is pretty damn close to the picture. At least I did my best to make it happen. So anyway, guys, this thing is looking really cool. So let's get the video rolling and you guys can finally see what this bike actually looks like completely finished up. And again, this started as an RMZ450 with a 500 two-stroke swapped into it. Enjoy, guys. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed all these video clips of this awesome build. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Just want to let you guys know we're going to have a full startup and ride video coming up again. And we're also going to do a video basically covering all the brands that we chose for this build. Shout out to Alberto, our customer who owns this machine. He is honestly one of the most patient customers I've ever had in my career. Again, thank you, Alberto, for letting us build this thing. Let's continue.